Good morning, everybody. Here to dye up another t-shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash, our sodium carbonate for the last 30 minutes or so. We're going to twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride. You said this is a 3T?
Yes.
Beautiful, beautiful 3T. Kind of turn it into a beautiful tie-dye tee. Diagonal pleat and cross pleat.
I'm trying to make like a sun looking thing almost.
Oh, that would be cool. Beautiful morning, birds are chirping. Nice and bright, pretty outside today. We're gonna do some tie-dyeing.
Let's see.
Get it all banded up.
Okay. That should be good enough.
The dyeing rack. Woo! Right. Shiny, shiny.
I feel like I'm missing a basket. Where's the big white one?
The big one from the top.
Alright.
Hang on, brother.
Some dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit. Like a flying dragon, like a wasp.
Something like that.
Dragon fruit. We love the dragon fruit. Beautiful color.
And maybe some lemon yellow.
Lemon yellow. So far we have lemon yellow and dragon fruit. Two beautiful colors. Got a good gradient going on there. We love the lemon yellow. Is that glacier blue?
Yes.
Glacier blue. Lavender. Beautiful lavender. So all told on this one we have dragon fruit, glacier blue, lemon yellow, and lavender. Beautiful 4-color tie-dye.
Need some lemon on this backside.
A little more lemon. That's beautiful. This is one of our favorite color patterns. A little bit of super clear in that lavender too, I see. The super clear lavender.
Yes. That was what we went with.
Beautiful.
Alright. Let's take them on over there.
To the drying rack?
To the drying rack.
Let's go.
Going on the bottom.
Bottom shelf. Where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it on out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.